In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Smartsheet look like it's in dark mode, a handy setup for reducing eye strain. Now, you might be aware that Smartsheet does not officially support a dark mode option as a built-in feature. However, we have a few clever workarounds that can mimic dark mode, and that's exactly what we are going to dive into today. Especially if you're a user of Chrome or Edge browsers, these steps will help transform your Smartsheet into a more eye-friendly interface. Let's kick things off by using your browser's dark mode settings. For this, we'll be focusing on Chrome, which will also work for Edge users. This trick is simple and straightforward once you know where to go. First, you'll want to open a new tab in your browser. This way, you'll have a fresh canvas to work on without disrupting any other tabs you might have open. In the address bar of this new tab, type in Chrome flags/enable force dark. This address will take you to a special settings page. Think of this page as Chrome's secret menu, where you can tweak various experimental features. Once there, you'll be taken to the Chrome flags page. The next step is to look for the setting called Auto Dark Mode for web contents. This is going to be your new best friend in transforming your web experience. By default, this setting might be disabled. All you need to do is change this from its usual setting to enabled. With this adjustment, you're instructing Chrome to apply a dark theme across all web pages where it's feasible, including Smartsheet. After enabling this setting, you'll notice a prompt to relaunch your browser. Go ahead and hit that relaunch button. Chrome will close and reopen, applying your new settings in the process. This is a necessary step to ensure the changes take effect. With your new settings in place, navigate back to your Smartsheet workspace. As you open it, you might notice Smartsheet is now sporting a darker theme. While this isn't a perfect solution, and you might notice some formatting quirks here and there, it does a great job of significantly reducing that bright white screen glare. Remember, this method uses your browser to create a dark mode effect. And while it's a handy workaround, it's worth noting that some elements might not display perfectly. However, for those long days of work when eye comfort is essential, this simple tweak can make a world of difference. And there you go. You've now learned how to give your Smartsheet a dark mode appearance using your Chrome or Edge browser settings. While waiting for an official feature from Smartsheet, this workaround offers a quick and effective way to protect your eyes during late-night work sessions or just whenever you're hoping for a bit more comfort. Thank you for watching, and feel free to share